Hello and welcome to Motormatch Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Ford Fiesta Zetec Powershift. It's finished in the colour Deep Impact Blue and it's currently done 22,994 miles. It does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels and it's a small yet practical vehicle with the 5 doors. And opening up the boot, it reveals plenty of storage space throughout, and in here you can see your rubber floor mats, which is super handy to have. They keep your carpet nice and clean. And there underneath the boot floor you have your tyre repair kit. Now up top, to close the boot, simply pull down. And now around into the interior. At the rear here you do have rear wind down windows. You have this lovely cloth interior. And there are ISOFIX points in these rear seats, so if you do need to fit a child seat, this can be done very easily. Now into the driver's seat. Here on the driver's door you'll find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding, as well as your front electric window switches, and there's some storage in the door there as well. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, allowing you to easily find the perfect driving position. And on the dashboard you'll find your light switches that include daytime running lights. Now on the steering wheel here you have your controls for the radio as well as your voice command. Behind you have your indicator and trip computer as well as your wipers. Now in the centre here you have your radio. It's very straightforward to use. You have your shortcut buttons to the left of it. You have this small screen up top which displays your information. You do have FM and AM radio, allowing you to easily find and tune your favourite stations. You also can save your presets to the vehicle. You do have USB and auxiliary input. You do have Bluetooth connectivity as well. That allows for your hands-free phone calls, and you can also import your contacts to the vehicle, so you can quickly and easily find who you need to call. Now below this you have your air conditioning, you have your fan speed to the left, and you do have front and rear heated windscreens, which is ideal for winter, allowing you to quickly defrost and get on the go. And here in the centre you have your adjustments for the direction of airflow, and to the right your temperature. Here you have your automatic gear selector. When you select reverse, your reverse parking sensors are displayed in the small screen of the radio. And there you can see your USB auxiliary and a 12-volt socket. And you do have 3 cup holders as well. Now if you are interested in this vehicle and would like more information on it, please do give us a call on 0161 885 0358.